What's going on, guys? Nick from Subimods here, and back again for a top 5 22 WRX items. So this is for the month of May. Yes, we did film 2 months together. We spaced out on the calendar a little, and we're doing them in one shot. So we are featuring, again, the top 5 products that customers have purchased or based on product page views, right? That's kind of how we curate this list. So you'll see a little bit of a variation every month just based on what's on sale or what's new to the site. That brings us to our number 5. The AMS Top Mount Intercooler. This is a new release for AMS. They've been very, very good about promoting and designing new products for the VB platform. They have their intake, they have shift knobs, brake lines, take your pick. They've started getting into the forced induction side, which is really what AMS is known for. They did this bar and plate top mount intercooler here. It's a massive core, boasts some really impressive statistics, which I'm kind of going to try to give some cliff notes on pretty quick, but AMS says it boasts a significant 48.6 reduction in charge air temps. So that's a huge benefit for anyone who daily drives, right? Car gets extremely hot, air temps get hot, performance is degraded, same as what you would experience on the track for any of our autocross and time attack guys who are really looking to keep that top mount intercooler and not have any lag from moving the core down into the front of the car. So that product right now sits at under $700 on our site. That is an amazing deal. Comes in the finish you see there. That's what they have. That's what you get. But that is a great price for that quality product there. Moving into our number 4 position. These were extremely in demand. We've covered them before, but the amount of page views and the amount of purchases put it in its number 4 position. It's the Molded Innovations EvoGlow with the DynamicLume taillight sets. We have 6 offerings. The way it's staggered is you can have your red bar or your white bar, and then you can go from light smoke to dark smoke. So this product has been a hit. People love it. Very few complaints out of the gate. We had some issues with some clips were breaking and things like that, but Molded Innovations did a little tweaking, got us what we needed to get those customers situated. Quality, design, and then just the overall LED functionality on these is top tier. So we're really excited to keep this on the top 5, and please keep getting after these things because the cars look great when they have upgraded taillights. So moving up, 3rd position from the north, LP Aventure. LP Aventure came on board as we moved into more of the Outlander, more of kind of the consumer who maybe wants to take a different route through performance, right? It's all performance, it's all upgrading, but a little bit different of a path. LP Aventure, based in Canada, they make pretty much lift kits. What do we got? Light bars. They got Catback exhausts under the Lachute Performance line, so they do a lot. They've been a great partner of ours. We're forecasting to see a lot more of this on the line card, so we really wanted to make sure the people who were looking at the Outlander stuff and wanted to raise their WRX got a view of what's available. So LP offers the 2-inch lift kit, includes the strut spacers, includes all the subframe spacers and hardware. There's a lot more to this kit. We just can't get it all on the box here. This is their powder coated version. They do offer it in a bare as well. So give you about 2 inches of increased height, allow you to run your Method 1552, a little bit smaller rims, nice knobby tire. We actually have a lot of customers doing this, and truthfully, I think it's great. I think it's something that it goes back to the heritage of Subaru, right? Getting off-road and really enjoying the car. So LP is definitely one to look at if you want your Subaru to go up. Now, if you want it to go down, albeit this is actually at a better position on the leaderboard, the COBB lowering springs. So COBB has really made some efforts in the last few years to diversify their line card following the Green Speed update. So you've seen a lot of sway bars, you've seen a lot of interior and exterior accessories. This is their expansion for the VB. So they, in one shot, released the front and rear sway bars and their lowering springs. What we like primarily about the COBB is they took the time to actually get the car to sit exactly level. What you'll find in a lot of Subarus and a lot of Subaru offerings for lowering springs, the drop is like, let's say, 1 inch in the front and 1 inch in the rear, and naturally when you lower that, the car is misaligned. You have the front kind of sitting higher than the rear, or vice versa. COBB took the time to ensure that you're going to get about, I believe they say about 1¼ inch in the front and 2 inches in the rear to really balance the look of the vehicle. This is a great product at a great price from COBB. And then when you combine it, you can get their sway bars and the springs together in a nice little package. So feel free, for those of you who want to go down, take a look at that. Number 1 on the board. This is an in-demand one. This is brand new from Remark. We actually got this just a few weeks ago, and it's already taken its place at the top of the leaderboard. It is their full titanium exhaust. So if you've been familiar with the Remark line before, you've known they've had the R1 spec, which is a bit of a hybrid. The muffler section's titanium, the mid-pipe is a stainless steel. This is their take on a full titanium. This is a 16-pound catback with the resonator, a little less without it. The beautiful part about Remark here is they took the time to look at it and say, all right, how do we make the strongest, most functional catback? So there aren't slip joints on this. It's a flange system, and there's also a single mandrel bent pipe, right, for the mid-pipe. They are not looking to have pie cuts. They are not looking to have breaks in the mid-pipe. They feel that the best way to increase the strength, the reliability, and the performance of the product is that single piece, which is very nice because there are some other issues that we've experienced with cracking and such in the pie cuts on other manufacturers. So the nice thing about this is, like a la carte with Remark, you can get it with the resonator or without it. That's a big benefit for those of you who are maybe trying to refine your sound exactly as you want it. A resonator does help eliminate some of that nasty 6th gear drone. But then there are other customers who are like, yeah, give me the loudest thing you got, right? And this is gonna be that. You can couple that. Remark has their exhaust finishers, which look great, and they're even starting to dive more into the exterior accessories with RMK design. So they've just released a new GT wing as well. So the last part about this system is it's not actually going to break the bank. You're looking at $1395 right now for the resonated system. That is an amazing deal for what you're getting here. So for anyone interested in a single exit for the VB, take a look at the Remark. And that wraps up the top 5. If there's anything we missed, anything you'd like us to cover more, please feel free to comment. We'll do our best to cover this. Again, apologies on missing the boat on the last one here and coming out a month late, but we will get back on the cycle and we will get this out for you guys for June. Like, comment, follow, subscribe, email, call, mail, pigeon. If you're not a pigeon guy, robin, crow, hawk, boat. In person, showroom,